Hello buddies, today I am back with another recipe, that is plain vada and dahi vada. Hello buddies, welcome to our channel. To prepare vada, we require urad dal. Here I took 250 grams of urad dal. Wash it and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, transfer the urad dal into a grinder to prepare thick batter. Now slowly add all the dal into the grinder. You can also use mixer grinder to prepare batter. Don't add too much water. To get soft and crispy vada, it's better to add cool water for grinding the batter. Now it is almost done. Check the consistency and take it into a bowl. If you wish, you can also add salt while grinding the batter. Now add salt as per taste and a spoon of cumin seeds. Mix well and beat the batter as shown. How much we beat the batter, the vada will be more soft and crispy. Now let's prepare curd for dahi vada. Take 500 ml of fresh curd and mix it to form a creamy texture. Now for tempering, take a kadai and switch on the flame. Add 1 spoon of oil into it. Once the oil is heated, add 1 spoon of chana dal, 1 spoon fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Once these got fried, let's add 2 green chilies and 2 red chilies into it. Now add half a teaspoon turmeric powder for good color. Now add a bunch of curry leaves and finely chopped coriander leaves into it. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. Now add half spoon salt into the curd. We have already added salt to the vada batter, so be careful while adding salt. Now add tempering into the curd and mix well. Now add half a cup of finely grated carrot. Now take a kadai and switch on the flame. Add sufficient oil for deep fry. Once the oil is heated, dip your hands in water and take a ball of batter to prepare the shape of vada and fry it in a oil on medium flame. If the oil is too hot or the flame is on high, the vada will not cook properly. So maintain the temperature of the oil evenly on medium flame. Once the vada is fried on one side, flip the other side and fry it on both sides evenly. Place a kitchen towel or napkin in a bowl or a plate. Now transfer the fried vada into the kitchen towel. If there is any excess oil in vada, it helps to extract. See, our vada is very colorful and it is so soft. In the same way, let's prepare remaining. For dahi vada, once the vada is ready, transfer them into a water. Let them soak it in water for a minute. This helps to keep our vada more soft for long time and soaks the curd easily. Now transfer all the vadas into another bowl. Don't squeeze it too much. If we don't soak it in water, it will be too hard and cannot soak the curd. Now pour all the curd with tempering on top of the vadas and allow it to soak it for 1 to 2 hours. Now completely soaked and soft dahi vada is ready. Let's garnish with some grated carrot. I hope you like this video. If you like the recipe, please try and let me know in comment section. Stay tuned to our channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.